Okay, today we're going to study derivatives, some complicated derivatives, not complicated, no, different, nothing is complicated in life. Okay, so for that I have thought maybe the system Bill Crank is good to study derivatives because the system is classical, you know. And then today we're going to study system but only derivative, how the system move using derivative. And for that I have choose a couple, for example, to introduce, because I introduce you for another kind of derivative. Yeah. And after that it's like same. We're gonna memorize the algorithm to move for the Bill Crankle, and after that I show you how you use SolidWorks and Catia to found the couple and consumption and all what you found, the graphical. So graphical, okay. So now we're going to study square minus r square sinus square alpha. Okay. This is our velocity. Okay, guys. Derivative. So here, for example, this joint I have used it. Why? Because it's very problematical. You should here found too much problems like a coefficient of friction. Okay, it's a length. Okay, this is D. Is working properly. Okay, so now we see what happened here. Here we edit. Click here. True. Like always. Okay. Now we can give something. Okay. Okay, this is our graph. So as you see in the speed, the joint, speed acceleration angular, 200. Donc normally it's a middle. It's not a middle, you know. But here is a middle, you know. It's not because SolidWorks take too much consideration, too much parameters than Excel. Excel you can do it. It's